This is Hattie. This is an Eclectus Parrot, female. And when I first started working here, I used to have to take this bird out with a big leather glove. But now look at her. Sorry, I'm working alone, so I'm trying to film this while I'm preening her. She's still a pretty bad plucker, but she's actually got down. These are the most down and most feathers I've ever seen on this bird. You okay? But she's turned out to be a real sweetie. Let me see her face. Come here, let me see her face. Can't believe how this bird lets me handle her now. It's amazing, the turnaround. Where you want to go? There's somebody's hollering over there. What is it, Tara? Shh. Hi, Biggs. One at a time. I can only take care of one bird at a time. Let me see. She was letting me preen her. She's got all kinds of pin feathers. Weren't you? Alright. That's all. I just wanted you to see Hattie and how I'm so happy how she has come along in a couple of years that I've been taking care of this flock here. There's the Amazons. Wait, there's Boo-Boo over there. He's getting impatient. He's waiting for his turn out. Oh, more feathers, more pin feathers. Hattie, come here, look up. Come here, step up. Oh, hang on. Here she is. Hi, girl. Sorry, my videotaping's not very good.